Good morning, DIYers. I am sharing with you tools that I just recently purchased. I'm getting ready to replace my front suspension and my rear suspension. So I just want to share the tools that I purchased to get this job done, okay? So what we have here is we have the ball joint tool, which takes out ball joints. And after watching many videos on YouTube, I decided to go ahead and purchase. But what this does is this removes ball joints. Okay. This one back here, this is the ball joint removal and installer kit as well. So this is a totally different kit, and I will be using it for tie rod and just regular ball joints. So I got two different kits for ball joints. Okay, this one right here, this is my wheel hub, master wheel hub assembly kit. This part right here actually goes around the ball bearing, or the bearings for to replace the bearings on the front and the rear. Let me see if I could get a different angle. It's real heavy. It's about 35 pounds, this entire set. So let me see if I can get a different angle so that way, or let me turn this so that way you could see exactly what it looks like. Okay, so this portion right here actually goes around. As you can see, I could pick it up. It actually goes around. Let me pick it up. That's what it looks like. It goes around the bearing. So real good set. I spent about $350 for all three of these tools. I'm gonna keep them, so they're mine forever, and just happy I bought them. So once again, ball bearing removal. This is a ball bearing separator kit, ball bearing removal kit, and the master wheel hub bearing removal and installer kit. Got all three of them on Amazon.com. And like I said, I'm not going to put the link in the description, only because these might be invalid 6 months from now. Amazon is always constantly changing products, so I'm not going to include the links, but you can go on Amazon and look them up yourself. Okay, so once again, ball bearing removal kit, ball bearing separator kit, and the master wheel hub installer kit. So yes, I'm getting ready to replace my front and rear suspension. All right, just want to share with you DIYers. God bless. Peace.